Affirmative debate brief. Resolved that all public colleges should have dry campuses. Observation 1. The harms. A. The allowance of the consumption of alcohol on college campuses leads to an increase in crime. Fractal in 2020 states that wet campuses experience notably higher rates of all of these crimes. For instance, wet campuses reported a 31% greater rate of burglary than dry campuses. Reports of rape were nearly 50% more common on wet campuses, and vehicle theft was almost 2/3 more commonly reported than on dry campuses. Observation 1. The harms. B. Alcohol abuse and alcoholism lead to the death of thousands of students each year. Jones, Bahana, and Leonard in 2017 state that just over 30% of university students qualify as alcohol abusers. A study done by the National Institute on Alcohol, Abuse, and Alcoholism in 2005 reported that close to 2,000 university students attending 2 or 4-year programs die each year because of alcohol-related injuries. If college campuses were to eliminate the implied encouragement of drinking alcohol, there is a less likelihood that underage drinking will occur, as well as the occurrence of alcohol-related deaths. Observation 2. Inherency. A. Colleges and universities are aware of the dangers of alcohol consumption, yet there are no deterrents on wet campuses. According to the National Institute of Alcohol Abuse and Alcoholism in 2021, although colleges are aware that binge drinking is dangerous and nearly half of their students participate in the activity, enforcement of underage alcohol abuse laws is irregular. In addition, presidents, faculty, and alumni of colleges often intentionally look the other way. Observation 3. The plan. A. All colleges and universities should devise and implement a zero-tolerance policy for alcohol on their campus. Observation 4. Solvency. A. Policies banning alcohol are necessary to lower crime rates and death rates on campus. Rayleigh, in 2016, states that Stanford University announced that it will ban hard liquor from undergraduate parties on campus, a policy change aimed at reducing binge drinking among students. The announcement follows a high-profile sexual assault case against former Stanford swimmer Brock Turner, who was convicted on 3 felony counts of sexual assault and sentenced in June to 6 months in jail. Having alcohol on college campuses leads to higher crime rates, violence, and even deaths. In this case, the actions of one of the most prestigious universities in the country speak volumes about the crisis of college drinking.